everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Western Union error code. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So in case you're getting any difficulties while trying to use your Western Union app on your phone and getting that error code notification, for that, first thing you can do is you're going to go to your app store, type in Western Union app as I've done, and if it shows update instead of open, go ahead, update your app first. That will also solve out many of your problems because it will simply update to the newest version of it, and that is it. If it is not, then go ahead again, go to your settings of your phone, simply go ahead, search storage, and once you are tapped on storage, simply scroll down and try to find your Western Union app from the list. Once you have found it, go ahead, tap on this offload app, simply offload this particular app of yours. This will simply solve out your problem. Tap on reinstall, and once you have reinstalled it, go ahead again, open it up and try to use as you will like, and it will simply solve your problem out. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.